Isasama kita sa lakad. I'll take you with me. Sinundan kita sa kalsada. I followed you on the road. Hindi kita makakalimutan. I will not forget you. Gusto kitang kasama palagi. I want to be with you always. Sumama ka kasi pinilit kita. You came because I forced you. Tinulungan kita noon. I helped you before. Mula noon, hindi na kita nakita. Since then, I have never seen you. Alam mo naman na mahal kita. You know that I love you. Nakita kita kanina sa palengke. I saw you earlier at the market. Tatawagan kita kung kinakailangan. I will call you if it's necessary. Hinintay kita pero di kita nakita. I waited for you but I didn't see you. Pangako ko na iingatan kita. I promise that I will take care of you. Susunduin kita bukas ng umaga. I'll pick you up tomorrow morning. Nais kitang makausap. I want to talk to you. Babalikan kita agad. I'll come back for you right away. Susulatan agad kita pagdating ko roon. I'll write you immediately when I get there. Dadalawin pa rin naman kita. I will still visit you. Alam mo ba na tinutulungan kita? Do you know that I am helping you? Naiintindihan naman kita. I understand you. Pinagmamasdan kita habang natutulog. I am watching you while you are sleeping. Kinakausap kita ng maayos. I am talking to you nicely. Huwag kang mag-alala, hindi kita iiwan. Don't worry, I will not leave you. Hindi kita sinaktan, alam mo yan. I didn't hurt you, you know that. Gusto kitang makita sa personal. I want to meet you in person. Lagi kitang iniisip araw at gabi. I always think of you day and night. Masaya akong makita kita. I am happy to see you. Matagal na kitang napatawad. I've forgiven you for a long time. Sinabihan kita kanina na makinig. I told you earlier to listen. Tinanong kita pero hindi ka sumagot. I asked you but you didn't answer. Nahuli kita sa akto. I caught you in the act. Pinili kita sa lahat. I chose you among all. Dinala kita sa bahay namin. I brought you to our house. Tinuruan kitang magmaneho. I taught you how to drive. Nakilala kita sa paaralan. I met you at school. Niyakap kita ng mahigpit. I hugged you tightly. Pinatawad na kita noon pa. I forgave you long ago. Pinakilala kita sa nanay ko. I introduced you to my mother. Niyaya kitang kumain. I invited you to eat. Ipinaglaban kita hanggang dulo. I fought for you until the end. Hindi na kita aasahan pa. I won't count on you anymore. Ginising kita kaninang umaga. I woke you up this morning. Pinuri kita sa harap nila. I praised you in front of them. Tinanggap kita ng buong puso. I accepted you wholeheartedly. Nahanap din kita sa wakas. I finally found you. Naalala kita bigla. I suddenly remember you. Gusto kitang kamustahin. I want to check on you. Tinawag kita sa pangalan mo. I called you by your name. Minahal kita ng lubos. I truly loved you. Niyaya kitang lumabas. I asked you to go out. Nakita kita sa panaginip ko. I saw you in my dream. Gusto pa rin kitang kausapin. I still want to talk to you. Inasikaso kita kahit may sakit ako. I took care of you even when I'm sick. Hindi na kita gagambalain pa. I will not disturb you. Paano kita mapasasalamatan? How will I thank you?